July 3rd. Meghan had her birthday yesterday. And about 7 o'clock, 7:30 in the evening. She's just a little bit tired. Look at that girly little face. Whoop. Looks like she's chicken pox. Her face is so messy. There's this face. Fixing one of her favorite foods, hot dog. Oh, girl. There she is. Meghan. Meg, sweetie. You falling asleep? Do you want Mommy to take you up to bed? Megs. Want Mama to carry you to bed? Yeah? Okay. Night-night. She's exhausted. She's actually asking, wanting to be carried to bed. She's had a full day and she's had no nap. Before we put her to bed. Oh, girl. It's one of our twin strollers we have for the kids. Let's take a peek at oh, there's the big kitty. Oh, the little kitty's eating. There's Mama Kitty. And they're right there. One of the little kitties. We have 5 of them. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, pretty kitty. You're a pretty mama. And the others are all behind this door that you can't see. They hide behind there. I think we're losing battery power, so I don't know how long we'll be on. But here's Patrick. There he is. He's almost 2 months. Today's Sunday. On Wednesday he'll be exactly 2 months old. There he is. Ooh, getting me dizzy. Whoa. Finally, the sleep is so fussy. Look how big that kid is. He's enormous. And there's Casey. She's in TV land right now. She has no clue that I'm filming her. Look at the eyes. Totally mesmerized.
That's not true.
I'm standing less than 5 feet in front of her. She doesn't even know it. Right, Case?
Yeah.
What did I say? She has no idea.
Yes, Kate.
Yeah, I did say yes, Case. Look at this mess. Let's just take a look here. Stuff going up the stairs. She's watching Frisco County Junior. And that's it, folks. Good night. Okay, it's July 8th. And it's about 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And I just want to show you something remarkable here. Can you believe this? All of the children are asleep. They're all taking naps. There's Meghan, Bonnie, believe it or not, even her big sister Casey is sound asleep. Big sister Casey, 2 sisters, and going over here, even the little brother is sleeping. They're all asleep. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and they are all sleeping. This is truly amazing. Incredible. Look at that face. Yes, and Patrick is about just over 7 weeks. Oh, he's awake. He's awake, folks. He's awake. Hi. Hi. Hey, Patrick.
Being nice.
I'm not staying awake. Good night. Good night. Like that hairdo? I like zooming in. This is fun. How do you like that, huh? I did that yesterday when I washed his hair and it's still up there. There he is, the little chunkaloo.
If Rita can make them act like that, she can make anything happen.
There's the family of children, all sleeping. Good night. There's Mama Kitty. Saying, get back here, baby. Trying to get her baby kitten. Hey, baby kitty. Hi, baby kitty. There's Mama Kitty scratching, always scratching. Oh, here's baby. There's a kitty. Here. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Here, kitty, 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 kitty. Go get your kitty. Go get your kitty. Boop, boop. Little devil. Where'd he go? Where'd that little guy go? There he is. Into something all the time. Hey, kitty, kitty. Oh, there's a Mama Kitty. Go get your kitty. Go get your kitty. Go get your kitty. Go get your kitten. Get over here, you little brat. Get back over here. Come when I call you. Fresh kitten. I tell you, fresh kittens, aren't they? Oh, yes. Well, I'll just nonchalantly pretend I'm not doing anything. I'll just kind of clean myself a little bit and she'll come. Whoop, wait a minute. There she goes. What? What? She took off. Ah, here she is. Did you see that, kitty? Now, let's see where the others are right now. I don't know if you can see them. There's two of them anyways. 2, 3, 4, unaccounted for 2. There's 2 that are missing. 2 kitties are missing. There's one. No, that's the one we were playing with. The black kitty. Oh, there's one. There's one. There's the other one. Where they all are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Kitty, 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 kitty. We found a home for that kitty. That one's going to Joanne Spadaro, Rose's niece. Hi, kitty, 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 kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Hi, kitty, kitty, kitty. Oh, she's pretty kitty. Oh, she's pretty kitty. Are they getting into trouble over there? Patches, huh? Your kitten's getting into trouble? Huh? Meow, 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 meow. There's a black. No, that's not a black kitty. There's the one that was hurt when he was first born, but you never know it now. Hi, baby kitty. Hi, little baby. Oh, it's a pretty kitty. Woo! There's the other one. Woo! Says, I'm gonna play. I'm gonna play. You. Hi, kitty. Hi, kitty. Oh, scared you, huh? Look at this baby kitten's face. He's so cute. Let me get him. Say, hi, little kitty. Oh, he's so pretty. Oh, he's so cute. Little feet. Oh, he's so cute. Mwah! I have to watch where I step here so I don't step on one of them. What are those kittens doing, huh? Plonk. What are those kittens doing? Ooh. Kitty, you're gonna lose your kittens in a couple of weeks. Yep, hopefully we'll find good homes for all of them. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, kisses, kisses, kisses. Here's the lucky one. The lucky one that already has a home. He's gonna go on Tuesday. Casey and Meghan are having their birthday party Tuesday, and Joanne's coming in. She's gonna take the kitty home. Isn't she pretty? Oh, so pretty. Yeah. Oh, now there's the others. Over here playing with Mama. You playing with Mama? Where'd they go, little devils? Uh-oh. Hey! Psst. Get away from there. And that one's gonna go inside. That one's going into the furnace, that one's going inside the closet, and that one's playing with wires. And that one's just went behind the fridge. I tell you, I don't know about these kittens. Yes, get that cat away from there. That's it, yeah. Get them away from there. So where's that other kitten? There he is. Get back here, you. Hey! Do you think you're the only kitten here? Huh? Do you think you're the only kitten here? You're a nice kitty. Got your hands full, don't you? Thought I had my hands full. I only have one newborn. And you have 5. Of course, mine can't walk either. Let's see what we have. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other one. Woo, good jump. Prancing around. Prancing, prancing, prancing. Hey, kitty, kitty. Meow, meow, meow. Oh, they already learned what to do. They already learned what to do. Stop that, you little brat. How many times do I have to tell you? Aww. I think I'll eat your neck. I'm a little hungry. They don't feed me enough around here. Nom nom. Ooh, black cat neck. Mmm, yum yum yum. Let me clean her a little bit before I eat you. I'm gonna clean your bum. Yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Mama. Mama. Disgusting. There he is. He's going to attack. Yes, he's gonna pounce. The other, whoop, there's that one. Meow, 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 meow. They look like they're gonna pounce. That one's kind of scared. And there's the bathroom where they usually stay. Mama kitty gonna check other things out. And check the food out. Hey, super kitty. Hey. Cute kitten. Alright, no more action around here, I guess. Oh, that one's gonna pounce. It's gonna pounce on the mama. It's gonna pounce on the other kitten. we're having a kitten fight. Whoa, everyone's gone wild. Double stroller. Ah, there's a cute kitty. But Mama, what are you eating? Can I have some, huh? Can I have some? The way kitty, you're bothering me. I think the kittens are getting a little bit hungry, maybe. Hey, kitty! Silly things. Might have to rescue one over there. I think he's inside the... He's inside here somewhere. Oh, there he goes. They're taking off. Woo! Woo! I can't keep... Oh my god. He just... Oh, there he goes. He's gone. One down. Oh, are you taking off? You leaving us? Are you leaving us? I've had enough of this, she says. I've had enough. Don't you dare climb up there. Yo! He's peeking his head out. Because what is up there? Oh, there he goes. And he takes off like a flash. And the mommy kitty goes after him. And mommy kitty says, hey, not too far, you. She's keeping her eye on him. That was a mommy kitty chasing the little kitten. And the children don't even know the kittens are all out. Meow! Get back here, you. Chase him, chase him. Come on. Chase him, chase him. What are you playing with? What are you doing? Oh my goodness, they're all running all over the place. I don't know what to do. What's the matter, kitty? All your kittens running around, huh? Ooh, pretty good for a little kitten. Pretty good for a little... Whoops. Spoke too soon. Okay. Say goodbye, kitties. Bye-bye, kitty. Bye-bye, kitty. Bye-bye, kitty. Oh, she's a pretty kitty. Bye-bye. And now watch. Now we have to account for all of them. There's 2. There's 3. And where's the other 2? There's 4. Now we're looking for the tan one.
Douglas and